with your Storm Track 3 forecast.
Well, today is the hottest day of the year so far. Wilmington topped 97 degrees. So as you can imagine, the beaches are the place you want to be to kind of cool off just a little bit. This is a live look in Wrightsville Beach, a pleasant scene. It looks like overall a dry evening if you want to head out to the beach a little bit before the sun sets. You notice temperatures, they're in the 90s across the board. Southport, the exception at 88 degrees. Elizabethtown checking in at 96, 93 here in Wilmington, but with the dew points well into the 70s. Our feels like temperatures are between 101 upwards of 110. That might be a little high in Calabash, but still, you get the picture. It is just darn hot outside, and you want to be inside to get a little relief. Limit your time outdoors over the past couple of days, and that will be the case, especially going into the upcoming days as well. Notice our radar not picking up any rain across southeastern North Carolina, and a little bit of clouds out there, but what we're watching is a cold front that's off to the north and west of us. This will be tracking closer to us, but will be very slow moving, giving us another hot day for Saturday and some more storm chances as we go into the weekend ahead. A little bit better chance of seeing those showers and storms as we advance time into our Sunday. Not going to be nearly as hot, but definitely still going to be toasty and humid out here. That cold front's not going to bring us a big refreshing air mass change over the coming days, unfortunately. It would be much welcomed if it did. Notice our pinpoint futurecast this evening going to be mainly dry. Could squeeze out an isolated shower or storm as we go into late evening hours. Those temperatures will drop overnight into the mid to upper 70s. A mixture of sun and clouds to get the day started tomorrow. And then you notice those temperatures will be climbing back up into the 90s in the afternoon. Most likely the best rain chance again will be in the late portion of your evening into the overnight hours, and then into our Sunday morning. Going to be dry. In the afternoon, better storm chances once again. Could see some downpours, potentially some gusty winds, lightning, thunder. So have that in mind. You're going to want to stay weather aware over the weekend ahead. Forecast heat index values up into the triple digits once again tomorrow afternoon. So if you have to be out doing some lawn maintenance, do it so early in the day. A little bit cooler on our Sunday afternoon with those heat index values in the upper 90s, close to 100 degrees. So the beach forecast for tomorrow, 87. South beaches have a moderate risk for rip currents, but at least tropical wise, things are quiet in the Gulf of Mexico and the Caribbean Sea. We had Tropical Depression 4 that was downgraded as of 5 o'clock to just a remnant low. You can see the spaghetti model still has it moving to a west-northwest track, but really not a concern for us here in southeastern North Carolina. But of course, we'll be watching the tropics over the coming weeks as well. In the meantime, showers and storms possible over the weekend. Not going to be a complete washout, so if you want to head out to the pool, the lake, the beach, all that fun stuff over the weekend, still have that to go, but just have a plan B in place in case you do get caught under one of those downpours.
Because when they do pop up this time of year, they can leave a mark in just a short amount of time.
Oh yeah, definitely. You don't want to be caught out in that.
All right, Helen, thank you. Yeah.